Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix this number cannot be used for verification in Gmail. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, just simply wait for some time and try again later. Sometimes Google may have temporarily blocked your number from being used for verification due to excessive requests. So if you tried several times in a short period of time, just simply wait for at least 24 to 48 hours and try again. Another one is just simply check for any typos or error in the number you're entering and verify the format of the phone number including the country code and make sure you're entering it correctly. Another one guys is try inserting a different SIM card into your phone and try verifying it on a different device and you should be able to fix it. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.